Well, hello friends and family. Welcome to another eDesign 100 class. You can see behind us what we're doing. And we are about to start Project 4. One of the things about Project 4 that we emphasize is systems. And a system is basically parts that are interconnected and they're interdependent. And so as an example of what we're going to do, the students at each table need to make a ping pong ball launcher and a catcher. And for the system to work, the ball needs to go from table to table to table all the way around. If there's one break in the link, the whole system fails, which is true if you launch a satellite and say the solar panels don't deploy, the whole system fails. So, to introduce systems thinking, we have this ping pong challenge happening right here. Let me take you around a little bit to show you. So here's one example of where we have a launcher modified here, and the catch mechanism is set up to assist with that. Then the ball will be launched from this launcher. Do you want to demonstrate a launch for me?
Yes, I can.
All right, and where's the team catching it? Are they set up?
They'll be there after this one.
Okay, so they're working on that. Okay, but I see where you have the launch happening right here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I'll let you launch that a little bit later. Then the ball is going to come here. So this team will catch the ball. Let me see your launcher. What does it look like? Nice. And which way are you launching it? To that cup over there. All right. Then the ball will come here. Caught. This mechanism set up to launch it. I've watched you dial that in. I've watched you all shoot that. That's going to land here in this catch. Coming behind you. And then the process continues. As you can guess, this team here will launch it into that box there. Oh, nice. You're getting dialed in. Nice. And then we keep going. Then the ball will go this way, this catch mechanism. Let's see what this looks like. All right. A lot of surface area there. And let's see how this launch is going.
Oh, yeah. For the stream, no!
For the stream. Quack. And then to end it, the ball will come back this way.
Okay, the problem is...
Okay, so they're still working on it, still iterating. We're not done yet. We're going to work on this for another 20 minutes, and then we will execute the system. Remember, there is no one team that fails in this. This is the entire class. And that's one thing to remember, is that in the system, you all need to succeed. You can't just say, oh, well, I did my part. That's true. But in order for you to have success, everyone has to have success. So we'll try, well, I'll start the video back up later when we're ready to go through and do it. Thanks for tuning in.